Hello students, good morning to all. Here you can see different kinds of dictionaries are there. First one, it is English to English dictionary. That means words are there and meaning it is given in the English. Here this one, it is second dictionary in this English into English and Gujarati. That means words are there and English meaning as well as Gujarati meanings it is given. And third one, here English to Gujarati. That means words are there English and meaning it is given in the Gujarati. So any dictionary it is available at your home that you can use. So today in this video we will learn what is dictionary and how to use the dictionary. What is dictionary and how to use a dictionary? First we will see what is dictionary. A dictionary is a book that tells you the meaning of words. If you are reading any lesson or article and one difficult word it is there, you don't know the meaning of that word, so you can take help of a dictionary. But do you know how to use a dictionary? So today in this video we will learn how to use a dictionary. In it, words are listed in alphabetical order. In dictionary, the words are given in alphabetical order. That means A to Z. See, here the words starts with the A alphabet it is given. So, you are reading any book or article and you don't know the meaning of a word. So, you can go through the dictionary and suppose any word if you want to find out, then you can go through the dictionary and find the meaning of the word. Suppose after is a word that you want meaning of that word. So meaning of this word, that is later in time. It is a meaning it is given in the English, and then next one it is Gujarati, that is pachiti. After that means pachiti or later in time. So this way you can find out the meaning in English as well as in Gujarati. So after that B later it is there. Then same way C, D, that means alphabetical order it is given. So here one exercise I have given. So 5 words I have given: bouquet, forest, acorn, cousin and harvest. These are the 5 words that you have to find out the meaning of these words from the dictionary. Find the meaning of the given words. 5 words are there. Try to find out the meaning with the help of dictionary and then write words in the alphabetical order. You have to arrange them in alphabetical order. That means A later word will come first, then B, C, D, like that you have to arrange them in a proper sequence. I hope that all of you have understood. Still, if you have any query, you are free to ask me. Thank you.